Now you can enjoy same melt in mouth kesari bath without sugar and without wheat rava, completely healthy and guilt free. Indulge in the goodness of a wholesome kesari bath made with a twist. No refined sugar, no wheat rava, yet loaded with authentic taste. This recipe brings you a healthier version of the traditional South Indian sweet, perfect for festivals, Navaratri, or as a nourishing dessert. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. Let us start with the recipe. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh desi ghee in a thick bottom pan. Add 10 to 15 cashew nuts and roast on low flame. Once it is half done, add 10 to 20 raisins and roast them. Once it is done, transfer to a plate and keep it aside. Into that same pan, I have taken half cup of kodo millet. You can use any millet of your choice and roast it on low flame. Kodo millet is one among the great 5 positive millets. It is rich in fiber and it detoxifies the body. It helps to expel the waste from intestine and reduces the chances of gastric ulcer and colon cancer. It is best blood purifier. It prevents anemia and blood cancer. Same like other millets, it is also gluten-free and is with low glycemic index. It is rich with all essential vitamins and minerals, especially it is alkaline food. Nice aroma is coming from the millet. Now we can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. After cooling, transfer it to chutney jar and pulse it for 3 to 4 times to get millet rava. Now transfer it to a bowl and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. In another saucepan, take 1 cup of organic jaggery, or better you can use palm jaggery. Add little water and melt it. Here the jaggery syrup is ready. Just boil, no need of making any one string consistency. Just melt the jaggery and keep it ready. Now in a thick bottom pan, take 1 cup of water. We have taken half cup of millet. So here I am taking 2 cups of water and bring it to boil. Add few strands of saffron which gives good aroma and color. Once the water starts boiling, add soaked millet rava. With continuous stirring, cook the millet. As the time passes, it thickens and the millet is cooked perfectly. Now add melted jaggery by filtering it to prevent any dirt or dust. Here for half cup of millet, I have added 1 cup of jaggery. That is 1:2 ratio. You adjust the sweet as per your taste. Add jaggery only after millet cooked completely. Adding fresh desi ghee, continue to mix it. It mixes well with millet. Now add roasted cashew nuts and raisins and cardamom powder and give a good mix. Now everything combines together nicely. At the end, add ghee and mix it and turn off the flame. Allow it to settle for 2 to 3 minutes. Super healthy sweet millet kesari is ready to serve. Do try this healthy recipe and let me know how it has turned out. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.